What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I know this is starting to look like a familiar scene, but W211s, man, can't pass them up, especially when they are a wagon. Holy crap. This wasn't even on the list. I just showed up and it was here. 04 E320 wagon, not a 4MATIC. I can't believe it. All wagons were damn 4MATICs, but this one's not. It's got almost the same miles as the blue one I uploaded yesterday. This one has 224, so it has 4,000 less miles. This one has a pretty nice interior. It's got cold air. It does not have heated seats, but this one has a few issues. This one has what people brought up to me yesterday when I was talking about the God, what was it? The harmonic balancer or the pulley, or what the hell was I talking about? I don't remember. But y'all were reminding me, no, Joe, it's the SBC pump for the brakes. And I was like, oh, yeah, that is what afflicted these earlier models. Well, that's one of the issues this car has. It has a brake warning light on. It says, service brake system, etc. Let's see. Let's go through the messages here and see if I can find it. Okay, 2 messages: brake, service brake, visit workshop. Or it could just need new brake pads. Hell, I don't know. What does it say when it has SBC problems? This wagon is pretty darn clean on the inside. As far as, seat wear and tear. The body on the outside's just okay. Ooh, it does have Harman Kardon, even though it doesn't have heated seats. But I heard some air suspension going on. But like the light blue one I drove yesterday, it's got the Goodyear tires on it. Even though these aren't brand new, they're still decent. Body, it looks pretty good. It's not as nice on the outside as the other one. I mean, it's just not. The headlights aren't as clear. But the silver paint shows pretty good. The wheels are peeling some. But this is my biggest problem I have with it. I mean, look, it's pretty clean. I mean, pretty darn clean. Headliner's not sagging. It's not bad for a cheap old wagon. I mean, this thing's going to be cheap, especially with this crap right here going on. Yep, somebody backed into something, or they got rear-ended, so that plastic bumper's going to need some help. No power tailgate. Again, no 4MATIC, which that doesn't hurt my feelings at all. So, I'm a sucker for a wagon, especially a freaking Mercedes wagon. Everything works on it, and the engine runs good. Just got that brake warning light. Now, it's not nearly as clean under the hood as the blue one either. That blue one, I pointed out that it had new water pump, new belts. Pulled the Carfax on it last night. Sure enough, it was done 1,000 miles ago. New water pump, belts. That pulley right there, that's a wobbly looking bastard. We got some leaking valve cover gaskets. Oh yeah. Leaky valve cover gaskets. We got issues there. I mean, This one's a little more ass whipped. Little more ass whipped. Might have a little bit of a head gasket issue. I don't know. I may pass on this one. I mean, it runs pretty good, but you know, a little bit of milky on the lid doesn't always necessarily mean it has a head gasket issue. These, I know there's moisture and condensation and shit that gets down there in that oil pan, and it usually burns off. I've had several E-classes that did that, V8 and 6. So I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. I know I just uploaded the blue one yesterday, but I'm going to go ahead and upload this one here in a little while, because I want to get y'all's comments on this one before the auction in the morning. 04 E320 wagon. I need to pull a Carfax. That's what I need to do. See if it's been through about 6 owners yet. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.